Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna be making a really simple and delicious recipe. So these are the only 6 ingredients we'll be using today. So first, we're gonna start off with our pie crust. We're gonna need some lechera, some condensed milk, some evaporated milk, some vanilla extract, 4 eggs, and of course our cream cheese. Okay, so I already have all my ingredients ready to go. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna put everything in the blender and we're gonna mix them together. So we're gonna start off by putting our cream cheese. Then we're gonna add our 4 eggs, just like that. Then we're gonna add the evaporated milk. And then the last thing, we're gonna add the condensed milk. And of course, I almost forgot, we're gonna add some vanilla extract. We're just gonna add a little bit to our mixture. So it doesn't have to be a lot, it just needs to be a little bit in there, something like that. Okay, now we're just gonna blend this together and then we're gonna pour it into our pie crust. Okay guys, so now we're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees and we're gonna leave it in there for about 40 to 45 minutes. Okay guys, so we're gonna check on our pie, see if it's done. Looks like it's almost done. So one way to know if your pie is ready, you stick a fork in, and if it comes out clean, that means it's done. Looks like mine still needs a little bit more time. Okay, so let's check on it again. I left it in there for another 20 minutes. Let's grab our fork. And it's done. Okay, so I took it out of the oven now. So now we're just gonna let it cool down for a bit.